Here comes our next question. Who declared as his ultimate aim the wiping of every tear from every eye? It was the aim of Gandhiji. B option is correct here. The first victory and governor. So the first victory and governor was Lord Canning. D option is correct here. The split between extremists and moderates come up in open at Surat Congress session in the year of 1907. Bhula Bhai Desai's most memorable achievement was his defense of the Indian National Army personnel at the Red Fort trial towards the end of 1945. C option is correct here. The first viceroy of Portuguese in the East was Francisco de Almeida. C option is correct here. When was the All India Women's Conference founded? So it was founded in the year of 1927. The option is correct here. The Kuka movement started in mid 19th century it was started in western Punjab. A option is correct here. Mahatma Gandhi's remark, a post dated check on a crumbling bank, is regarding the proposal of Cripps mission. B option is correct here. Next question. Which one of the following is correctly matched? The option that is correctly matched is Balboa 1530. The option is correct here. During whose viceroyship did the high courts come into existence at the three presidential cities of Calcutta, Madras and Bombay? So the person was John Lawrence. The option is correct here. Who was the popularly known as Nana Sahib? The person who was popularly known as Nana Sahib was Balaji Baji Rao. B option is correct here. In which session of Indian National Congress did the historic union of Congress and Muslim League take place? So it took place in Lucknow. Who attended the Imperial Darbar of 1877 dressed in hand-spun khadi? So it was attended by Ganesh Vasudev Joshi, who was the founder editor of famous newspaper Keshari during the national struggle. So the person was Lokmanya Tilak. C option is correct here. Match list first with list second and select the correct answer using the code given below the list. So the person's name has been given here and the person who are associated with these leaks I have been given here. So we will have to match these things. Sarojini Naidu is associated with or linked with Indian National Congress. M.A. Jinnah means Muhammad Ali Jinnah is linked with Muslim League. Tej Bahadur Sapru is related to Liberal Party Code and V.D. Savarkar is related to Hindu Mahasabha. A option is correct here. Next question. Who was the only Indian to be elected as President of the United Nations General Assembly? So the name of the person was Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. A option is correct here. What was the reason for Gandhiji's support to decentralization of power? So the reason was decentralization was essential for the economic development of the country. C option is correct here. Which of the following according to Mahatma Gandhi is the strongest force in world? The strongest force in world is non-violence of the brave. A option is correct here. Who among the following were members of the Swaraj Party? The person who were the members of the Swaraj Party was Motilal Nehru. A option is correct here. B option is correct here. Only A. Next question. Where are the traces of Portuguese culture found in India? So it was found in Goa in India. A option is correct here. The British introduced the railways in India in order to facilitate British commerce and administrative control. B option is correct here. According to Dadabhai Naoroji, Swaraj meant self-government. B option is correct here. Which religious reformer of Western India was known as Lokhitwadi? So it was Gopal Hari Deshmukh. A option is correct here. Who was the first Governor General of Bengal? First Governor General of Bengal was Warren Hastings. B option is correct here. Which scripture was called his mother by Gandhiji? So the scripture was Bhagavad Gita. The Quit India movement was launched in 1942 in the month of August. C option is correct here. Match the following. Column has been given here. First column and second column. The name of the person has been given here, and the movement has been given here. Means the thing that have related with this person has been given here. So we will have to relate these things. Keshav Sen. Keshav Sen is related to Brahmo Samaj. Dayanand Saraswati. Dayanand Saraswati is related to Arya Samaj. Atma Ram Pandurang. Atma Ram Pandurang is related to Prarthana Samaj, and Syed Ahmad Khan is related to Aligarh movement. C option is correct here. Next question, who was the first English president of Indian National Congress? First English president of Indian National Congress is George Yule. A option is correct here. Which one of the following personalities is known as Grand Old Man of India? So the personality is Dadabhai Naoroji. The place for Purn Swaraj was taken at the Congress session of Lahore. B option is correct here. Who was the founder of the Servants of India Society? So the founder was G.K. Gokhale. Mahatma Gandhi was profoundly influenced by the writings of Leo Tolstoy. The option is correct here. Who is rightly called the father of local self-government in India? So the person was Lord Ripon. The option is correct here. Which Governor General is associated with doctrine of lapse? So the Governor General was Lord Dalhousie. B option is correct here. India attained dominion status on 15th of August 1947. What is Gandhiji's definition of Ram Raj? So the Gandhiji's definition of Ram Raj was the greatest good of all. C option is correct here. Who among the following was the first to sign the instruments of accession? So the person was the Dewan of Travancore. B option is correct here. Why was Simon Commission boycotted by the Indians? So because it did not include any Indian as a member. Who among the following started the first newspaper in India? So the person was James Hickey. The option is correct here. English education was introduced in India by Lord Macaulay. C option is correct here. Name the important French possession in India. Important French possession in India is Pondicherry. B option is correct here. Next question. As per the provisions of Charter Act of 1833, a law commission for consolidating, codifying and improving Indian laws was constituted under the chairmanship of Lord Macaulay. C option is correct here. Who was the first Indian to become member of British Parliament? So the person was Dadabhai Naoroji. Who said patriotism is religion and religion is love for India? The person who said this question will be answered by you in the comment section. Next question. According to Gandhiji, which of the following are the major means of satyagraha? Major means of satyagraha are non-cooperation and civil disobedience. B option is correct here. Hardayal, an intellectual giant, was associated with Gadhar movement. D option is correct. B option is correct here. The credit of discovering the sea route of India goes to the Portuguese. The song Jana Gana Mana, composed by Rabindranath Tagore, was first published in January 1912 under the title of Bharat Vidhata. C option is correct here. On imprisonment in 1908 by the British, Bal Gangadhar Tilak was sent to Mandalay. The option is correct here. The civil disobedience movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1930. At which place in Bengal was the first East India Company given permission to trade and build a factory by Mughals in 1651? So the place was Kasim Bazar. The option is correct here. Who gave the slogan Inqilab Jindabad? So the person was Bhagat Singh. The system of hierarchy was introduced in India in 1919. The editor of Young India and Harijan was Mahatma Gandhi. Who of the following attended all the 3 round table conferences? So the person was B.R. Ambedkar. The call of back to the Vedas was given by Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Simon Commission was boycotted by the nationalist leaders of India because because all members of commission were English. B option is correct here. Who among the following British persons admitted the revolt of 1857 as a national revolt? So it was admitted by Disraeli. D option is correct here. Next question. The two states which had non-Congress ministers in 1937 were, so the states were Bengal and Punjab. Through which principal device did Mahatma Gandhi strive to bridge economic inequalities? So it was the trusteeship theory. D option is correct here. Which one of the following was the first English ship that came to India? So the first English ship that came to India was Red Dragon. C option is correct here. The All India Muslim League was founded by, so it was founded by Aga Khan. C option is correct here. Gandhiji was influenced by the writings of Leo Tolstoy. D option is correct here. Next question. In which year did Gandhiji start Satyagraha movement? It was started in 1919. A option is correct here. Where was the Royal Darbar held on November 1st, 1858 to issue the Queen's proclamation? So this question will be answered by you in comment section. Who is called as the prophet of New India? So the person was Sri Ramakrishna. B option is correct here. Who declared Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? So it was declared by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The Indian Council Act of 1909 was popularly known as Male-Minto reforms. Minto-Male reforms. C option is correct here. Federal form of government at center was introduced in India under Government of India Act 1935. Royal Asiatic Society was founded by Sir William Jones. A option is correct here. Indian Universities Act 1904 was passed during the government of Lord Curzon. B option is correct here. The hero of the Kakori dacoity case was, so the hero was Ram Prasad Bismil. The person responsible for introducing the conception of diarchy in the 1919 Act was, so the person was Montagu. A option is correct here. Tricolor was adopted as the national flag in Lahore Congress session. A option is correct here. Who presided over the first session of the Indian National Congress? So the person was W.C. Banerjee. B option is correct here. When was the Dandi March undertaken? Dandi March undertaken on 12th of March 1930. Who was the first propounder of the doctrine of passive resistance? So the person was Aurobindo Ghosh. B option is correct here. Who was the Congress president during 1940-46? So the person was Maulana Azad. C option is correct here. What are the Male-Minto reforms of 1909 known for? So it was known for separate electorates. A option is correct here. What was meant by Secretary of State for India during the British rule? So it was a British minister given full control over the government of India. C option is correct here. Next question. Lucknow Pact was a deal between Hindus and Muslims regarding seat sharing in legislatures. The joint session of Congress and Muslim League was held in 1916 at Lucknow. C option is correct here. Who among the following founded the All India Depressed Classes Federation in 1920? So it was B.R. Ambedkar. The first trading center which was established by the British was in Surat. B option is correct here. Next question. When and which Governor General decided to make English medium of instruction in India? So the Governor General was Lord William Bentinck in the year of 1835. C option is correct here.